Today we're going to do the letter N. So we're going to learn what the letter N looks like and the sound that it represents. Maybe you've seen an N before. This is an uppercase N. So the way that we write it is we go down, then we do that diagonal line, and then we go back up. So let's practice that again together. So we have our pointing finger in the air. We go down. Remember, a diagonal line looks like this. One side is at the bottom. I'm showing you with my elbow. And the other side is at the top. A diagonal line can also go this way. One line at the top over here and then down. It's not the same thing as a straight line up and down or a straight line side to side. It's a little bit different. So we go straight down. We pick up our pencil to go back to the top. We do our diagonal line, and then we go back up. So it's 3 lines. Down, pick your pencil up. Diagonal, up. This is an uppercase N. Here's a lowercase n. This lowercase n is different because it has a curve. When I look at my uppercase n, it's all straight lines. Lowercase n has a straight line, but also it's got some curviness to it too. So let's look. We go down. We can either pick our pencil back up or just go back up with our pencil. And then we do a big curve. So it goes down, big curve. I think it's easier, instead of picking my pencil back up, just to go back up and trace what I already did. So go down, we go back up just to trace what we did, and then a curve. That's a lowercase n. Whoa, do you see what this kid is doing? Okay, let's see if we can see. Does it look like an N? Okay, so the legs are the straight line down. Then from the knee to the head, that's the diagonal. And then this kid is putting their arms up to be the line that goes up. That's pretty cool. Do you see it? I wonder if you can do this with your body. You'd have to get on the floor to do it for sure, but I bet you could make it with your body. That would be cool. Let's see. Here's the sound that N makes. So I'm looking at this mouth and I'm seeing an open mouth, and the tongue is behind the top teeth. You actually start with your mouth open, and then you put your tongue up. So it goes like this. N. So there's 2 things you have to do with your mouth. Look, it starts open, where your tongue is at the bottom. N. N. Do you see my tongue going up and down? N. N. And I kind of hear the N when I say the letter N. Do you hear it at the end? So I'm saying N, N, but when I'm just doing the sound, it sounds like this. N, N. So this is the letter N, and to make the sound for N, it sounds like this. N. So my tongue goes behind my teeth. N, and that's the sound that it makes. N. N is the letter. N is the sound. So here's the uppercase and lowercase n, and then let's check out some sounds. Can you think of anything that starts with N that makes the N sound? Ooh, so here are nails, and here's another kind of nail. I bet you've seen both of those before. Sometimes words can sound the same but mean different things, right? So we have the nails on our finger, and the nail, like a hammer and a nail, we might use to do something, put something together. We have a nose. That starts with the letter N and the sound N. We have a net. And we have this number. Do you know this number? This is the number. We know it's going to start with N, the number 9. So here's our card. We have the letter N. This is a nut kind of food. And then we know the sound is N. So the way we say this card is N nut. N. Listen again. N nut. N. You try. Let's do it together. N nut. N. Now let's look at the sign language. To make an N, just like in the lowercase n, it has a straight line down and then a curve. We use those 2 fingers to represent it. So just like before, we do 2 fingers up, and then we just put them down. So let's try it again. Like you're holding up a peace sign or you're just showing two of something, like how many? Two. So we have our two fingers up. Let me just put them down. And that is N. This is the sign language for N. And that is it, my friend. You know the letter N. You know what it looks like uppercase, what it looks like lowercase, and we learned the sound that it represents. So go practice. This is going to help you be able to read books and write words. It's very exciting. I'm super proud of you. Keep working hard every day.